In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple guide to troubleshoot and fix the error 502 bad gateway issue with Google. This error can be quite frustrating, but with a bit of guidance, it's something you can easily address. Let's dive straight in. First things first, to get started, we'll need to visit Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a content delivery network and distributed DNS service, acting as a reverse proxy for websites. It's quite popular and often used by many to ensure their web services run smoothly and efficiently. By accessing Cloudflare, we can better understand and manage the flow of data, potentially identifying any roadblocks that may be causing our error. Now let's talk about fixing that pesky error 502 bad gateway. This error occurs when the server receives an invalid response from the upstream server, essentially meaning that there's a communication breakdown somewhere along the line. But don't worry, we have two straightforward methods to attempt a resolution. The first method is to simply restart your device. It might seem like an oversimplification, but rebooting your device can actually clear up a multitude of issues, including network and temporary server connection problems that could be triggering the 502 error. If you've been navigating on your network for a while, or if your device hasn't been restarted recently, this step could be just what you need. It gives your system a chance to reset any stalled processes that might be hindering communication between your server and the client. If a quick restart doesn't do the trick, the next method to try is clearing your browser's cache. Your browser cache is designed to help load websites faster by storing certain page elements on your device. However, over time, this stored data can become outdated or corrupted, leading to errors, like our 502 bad gateway. Clearing your cache can refresh the stored data, ensuring that you're accessing the most current version of a site. This is a simple process. Typically, you can do it from your browser settings menu under Privacy or History, depending on the browser you're using. By erasing the cache, you're essentially wiping the slate clean, allowing for smoother, uninterrupted communication with the server. Once you've tried these potential fixes, you should notice an improvement. Remember, the key here is maintaining patience and being methodical with each step. Hopefully, the combination of these strategies resolves the error 502 problem, allowing you to continue browsing without hiccups. If after attempting both these methods you still encounter issues, it might be a server-side problem. In that case, reaching out to your web host or reviewing any server-side logs for additional clues would be a prudent course of action. Armed with this knowledge, you've got all the tools you need to tackle this common problem effectively. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.